Hello, everybody. So this session is about one of the important concept in FIPL team, that is how to perform a clean installation of the big IP devices. So in the company, if you're working on the level like a tier three engineers, we can say like a level three and above, we can say. So generally, these types of tasks generally come to you. Okay. For example, sometimes they're required to perform clean installation because of some issue of the devices, and after vendor coordination, so they suggest to perform the clean installs. Okay. So how we can perform a clean installation of the big IP, that is so FIP big IP I'm talking about. So I'm going to explain some steps, guys, and the same things we need to follow in the production also. And with the help of this step, definitely we are going to be perform the clean install of the devices. Okay, perfect. So first step is, guys, we need to wipe your storage devices. Okay, I think spelling me wrong. Yeah. First, we need to wipe the storage devices, and wipe means kinds of, guys. It's kinds of erase. Okay, it's going to be erase all the things, and it is going to be come up with a fresh. Okay, we need to do all the other configuration. Perfect. So how we can wipe, guys? So we need to connect our devices through serial console cables. And in the command, we need to run this command like shred a space dash vfz and a space slash devsd. So this is the hard disk. Okay. So, okay, this is the hard disk, guys. Okay. So first step to wipe your storage with the help of hello commands. There are some other method also to wipe your storage devices. But this command is enough. And if it will not work, generally we can take help from vendor also. Okay. But according to my experience, guys, this is enough to wipe the storage. Okay. Perfect. The second thing, guys, obtain the software. And it is the one of the advanced concept, guys. Whatever I'm talking at the moment, whatever I'm explaining at the moment, it is one of the advanced concept. Okay. And these types of questions generally asked in the interview also, if you are giving the interview like SME level. Okay. So first step is, guys, wipe your storage. We need to do kinds of blank. Second thing is obtain the software. So how we can do the obtain the software, guys? So आप क्या कर सकते हो कि F5 के साइट पे जाकर we can download the software. Okay, downloads.f5.com. So we can download from here, and we need to log in through your accounts, whatever you created. And so okay, so आपको यहाँ से साइट पर आना होगा, guys, and we need to log into your account like whatever created in the company, and from here we can download the software. Okay, perfect. So this is the second step. What is the third step, guys? So we need to import software. So with the help of once you would have downloaded, then we need to upload the software image on our devices. How we can do that? We can do with the help of WinCP also. So we can download maybe FileZilla, or with the help of WinCP we can do that. So we need to download the software on your laptop, maybe your Jump server. It should be required internet connectivity. Perfect. And after download, we need to import. Okay. So this is the third step. What is the fourth step, guys? It is very, very important. Install software on Big IP. So once we have downloaded and once we have imported on the Big IP devices, then we need to install the software. Okay. And while installing, we need to, create one new volume, guys. Okay. For example, existing setup is running on the volume HD 1.2. Okay. So we need to create new volume with the name of like 1.3. So we don't need to mention 1.3, just mention 3, and it is going to be pick as a 1.3. Okay. This is how it is designed. Okay. So we need to install that new image in HD 1.3. I'm just telling just example. Maybe in your case in productions, your active volume is maybe 1.3. In that case, we need to install the new image on the 1.4. Okay. So it depends upon the your infra, your design, and your setup. Okay. So here just for the example, guys. Okay. So we need to install the new image on the new Helum, and we need to keep our existing as it is, so that it will not impact other stuffs. Okay. Perfect. Then what is the fifth step, guys? So fifth step is boot new locations. Okay. Then we need to go on the boot option, and then we need to click on the your volume 1.3, and we need to then boot our devices. And it is very, very important to click including config. So there is some option there, guys. So let me explain like this. Just 1 minute. Okay, so we need to boot to new location. So if you go on the boot section, guys, and we need to click on the hard disk 1.3, volume 1.3, we can say, and then we need to boot our devices. So while booting, we need to, there is one option like include config. We need to tick that. Okay, if you're not going to tick that, guys, it can't show blank. We can say like blank config. There will be no any config with the new, we can say like on the devices, and it is not good things. So we need to tick mark like include config. So it is going to be keep all the config to the new volume like HD 1.3 in our examples. Okay, perfect. So after that, it is going to be boot, guys, and once it will come up, then we need to log in your devices with help of credentials, and it will be like it will be like working, and we need to test the connectivity, and that is how we can perform clean installation of the WIG-IP devices. Okay, so these are the steps, guys, and it is very, very important to understand from interview perspective also, and these are the advanced level of concept in F5. Okay, I, I'm pretty much sure no one has provided these types of content on the YouTube in free, guys. Okay, so that's it. I hope this video has been informative for everybody. And if you like my efforts, please share, like, subscribe and share these channels to the needed people who want to build career in this field. Okay, let's meet on the next session with some important topics. Okay, thank you very much, everybody, and thanks for your times.